That's a good commercial there, boy. Oh shit, wasn't even recording. Now it's recording. Alright, here we are. About to see how the water's going down slow in this tub. Just sitting. I done snaked it, I done plunged it, I did everything possible that I would do in most normal situations to unclog a drain. But so far, nothing has been helpful. So, I decided that I'm going to go ahead and dig this floor up right here. Run a new drain line. There into the toilet. And one, might as well do the sink while we at it, even though this is fine. Hey, but who wants to go in here later on to do the sink? Might as well do it now. So, go ahead and knock that out now, too. And the purpose is, I'm going to try to make it look like I was never here. After it's all done and over with. So, I will keep you updated on the work as it's done. If I got a chance, I even probably show you how, even once the floor is done up, like how it's done and everything. But you will see the end back of this video. Okay, so this is where we at after the floor done came up. Hey, all this shit gotta come out.
Well, I need some fucking gloves, real thing.
Well, you already knew that when you started working.
Whatever, man.
You're gonna need some gloves.
Well, I got them now, so what the fuck?
Cut it out, take it all out. What part of all the leg coming out you don't understand? Huh? If it's lead, it's coming out. But look, what you do, you cut right here in front of these nuts. Because I can always boot onto those. You see what I'm talking about? Man, we taking all this shit out. Lead. And the lead is worth money, even though I ain't getting paid for this job. Well, I guess I am gonna get paid. I'm gonna just bill it. It's gonna get billed to somebody. Even if it got to be Uncle Sam. You know what I mean, kidder?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Now I'm recording. What the fuck are we doing? Yeah. Alright, we got the floor out now. And the plumbing is out. So, we're in pretty good shape here. So now what we're going to do is let's investigate the clog, which got to be up there somewhere. See if you can stick that screwdriver in there.
You gotta get that on the floor.
Yeah, that's why I brought the Mac, man.
You was away.
Right.
My asshole up in the air like
Everybody wants to see your ass.
It's crazy.
You have no ass at all.
Nasatol.
Yeah, you have nasatol, meaning no ass at all.
Still, it's my ass. I don't want you looking at it.
Feel like something in there.
Yep.
We just pulled a cap out of here. Look right there. That was in the drain line. All right, look, just take a dry vac, man. Put a dry vac in the bitch, suck it out. You know, keep it real freaking simple.
Go back out to the fucking truck.
No, I had to do it. Oh, yeah, the other one is, all right. So, we got the old plumbing out. The new plumbing in. So we definitely did it. It was definitely done. I wish I could have sat there and videoed this whole thing and showed everybody how to do it. I don't know if anybody watched that long, but anyway, now we're about to backfill him up. We got the water running in both of them. Let her pull it out there. See the tub. The tub still going down. I know it might be because of that there in the wood. He's flying out there. I hear him. He's gonna run out and run the water in this, huh?
That was making it go down slow.
Yeah, look at him. He's out. And he's out. Definitely better than it was. Alright, this job is complete. Thanks for watching. Okay, now the water's going down. I thought I was finished, but I really wanted to tell y'all how the bathroom looked after I was really done. There's the floor there. Here's the pipe coming out of the floor. Here's that white pipe. I still got to put a adapter in there. There's my motor floor. So that concludes as far as the video. Now I'm done the bathroom. Up, pretty much.